I left this gold position on, and this is always my worst fear is for the market to miss my limit and then come back to my break even. That's always my concern. It literally missed my break even. I mean, it missed my target. Hmm. God damn. God damn. God damn. Mm. Mm. What? Oh, okay. Mm. Hey, what's up, everybody? Gold did me. Gold just did me dirty just now, dude. Gold literally just did me dirty. Missed my target, and now it's closing in on my stop. That was dirty. All right, gold. That was dirty. That that's dirty. That's dirty. That's freaking dirty. That's dirty. That's dirty. That is so dirty. Dude, whatever, man. Whatever, dude. Yo, y'all see that shit? Gold literally missed me by 3 ticks and then comes back and stops me out, man. What kind of oh my god, dude. God. Hmm. That is my biggest fear in a funded account. Being 3 ticks away from profit just for it to come back and stop you out. That is crazy, man. That's crazy. It's freaking crazy. Yeah, it was definitely clean, all right. That shit cleanly missed my damn target and comes right back down, man. That's crazy. I still haven't forgiven Gold from the last time she did that stupid shit to me. I mean, shit, the crazy thing is that mm, we'll see. We'll see if Gold is gonna be nice to me here. All right, let's see. Let's see. Okay, that's going to be something that I do not like. That's going to be something that I don't like. So I follow K Trader's advice with the whole disarm, and so for whatever reason, this account disarmed, and when it disarms, it closes the position. So here I am copy trading these accounts right now, and the only one that disarms is this account. Like, what's up with that? And so as soon as it does it, it closes out the position. All right. Well, we got 4 more minutes until the orb settles. Hey, what's up, Smith? Yeah, I see your messages. Yeah, I mean the Bears definitely got it. I don't know why they got it. I really don't. This is a third leg down. This is 1, 2, and this is the third leg down. So shit. I mean, it went through all my levels. So obviously the Bulls are no longer buying this. They're looking for a deeper pullback after this big massive run. So I don't know, man. We'll see what happens with the orb, but I'll try my best to stay on the right side of it. Yeah, Replicanto. 'God damn. All right. Fine, 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 fine. 58.6. 55.1. Okay. Well, it looks like the Bears is taking over on all goddamn instruments today. The Bulls don't want to buy. It seems like everybody is selling. And this is why I hate these abnormal runs because one side of the market usually tends to hold on. 176. Of course. I was like, dude, what the okay, you know what? Fine. So this copy trader is kind of messed up. Because I know I had 21 contracts copy trading, but then I guess only 7 filled, I guess. Whatever. All right. So that's the orb is in. All right. So 471. 471. That's well over 100,000. So we definitely got 100,000 contracts trading right now. All right. So this is the orb below. Huh. Hmm. Well, yeah, whatever, dude. Shit, at this point. Let's see if we can get this thing to not do that. Okay. Actually, I think I. Oh shit. Mm. Hopefully, shit. I mean, gold can potentially. Man, god damn! Every time, god damn. All right, man. Come on, gold. Stop acting like this. Fine. Okay. So I'm just gonna have to just put it below that low. I don't want to get ticked out of that one. All right. Well, we got to bounce at the or below on the Nasdaq at least. No. Oh my god, dude. No. All right. God damn, what the hell was that? Honestly, I'm just glad that I'm in evals right now and I listened to myself about not trading my funded account today because uh, this could have definitely gotten real ugly. You know what? I mean, shit. The market is just at this point just doing stuff. Mm. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe I should have that. Yeah. That's interesting. That's interesting. What number is that? 36? Hmm. That's interesting. I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take it. I'm taking it. But that's all the way down here though. So that means it's just better to just to take the short if I can find it. So I guess if it breaks, I mean if we get a strong close, a break and retest, I'll short it. Mm. Yeah, I don't know how Nasdaq scalpers can do this without. Damn, nice. Mm, nice. Nice, 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 nice. And then it hits my target. Nice one, Nasdaq. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. Stops me out, hits target. Nice. Mm. If I see a sweep and a push back up, because I don't like how I mean it's getting closer to orb low. I just don't like how the EMAs are just not close to the lows here. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, whoa! God dang! Whoa! What was that? What was What the heck was that? Yo, the Nasdaq is just being nasty at this point. I mean, that is just pure nastiness. Oh shit, news. Mm. That is just pure nastiness. God damn. All right. Nice one, Nasdaq. Nice, nice one. That's how I want all my trades to look. That's exactly how I want all my trades to look. I don't want. I really don't want to be in drawdown if I'm not. If it doesn't. So my goal on this is just to catch momentum, and if I'm wrong, I'm just immediately stopped out. I don't want to sit in drawdown anymore. That's the goal. That is the goal. I mean, yeah, I know the stop is tight. It's only a 9. It's only a 2-point stop on the Nasdaq, so I'll probably get stopped out more often than not. But I'm just looking for momentum. I'm looking for 18 points. This is a heavy size, so I don't. The size that I had was every time that it would come back, I would lose $500, and I don't like that. I think with this one, I only lose what $100 maybe, 160 or $80 per loss. I mean, I know it adds up over time, but if I can just catch the momentum, mm, and try to get in as at a good spot as possible. Uh, um, hmm. They'll probably pull back to the 21. I mean, unless they just push past this candle, which I doubt. Probably it's probably a short. Probably a short. Nice. 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 Okay. Yeah. The Nasdaq, you're a monster. Oh my god, you're a monster, yo. Oh my god, you're a monster. You're a monster. All right. So every loss is a $120 loss every time it hits my 9 tick stop. But if it hits my 18-point target, so I literally have a 1 to 9. I can lose 9 times in a row and break even. But I guess if only 8 of my contracts get filled, then hmm. I don't know why gold has been doing this. Is or why gold is doing this? Mm. I mean, I get gold is in a downtrend. I get it, but damn, gold. Mm. Okay. Well, let's see what happens at the orb high. Let's see what happens. I think we probably see like probably a sweep and then a rejection potentially. Potentially. We'll see. Mm. Uh, mm. Damn, gain weight. Shit. Let me practice. I think I'm doing better than yesterday. I'm doing way better than yesterday. Mm. I might. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see. I just don't want to eat a $500 loss, especially when I'm not. Especially when I'm just trading momentum. I mean, I'm not. I don't think that it's. I don't think it's smart to trade that. with a big stop if I'm just trading the momentum. Actually, let's see what. Actually, I'll take it. I'll try it, man. Come on, Nasdaq, just drop, baby. Of course, couldn't just drop. That's two. That's three. I mean, that's kind of nasty right there, dude. That's nasty. Like that's damn Nasdaq. Uh, mm, okay. Damn, like seriously? God damn, dude. Fucking sweat. Original target filled. Target fucking filled, dude. Dude, that it literally came back just to stop me out. That is crazy, man. It literally came back just to stop me out. Okay. All right, man. All right. So, mm, and this one win just took out all them small little losses. Well, I guess I have to hit the target first. So, I mean, it's one of this strategy is kind of. I mean, that win just took out all those losses. So I'm profitable in terms of the numbers game. But that was dirty, dude. Now that was super dirty. Maybe. What about let me see, man. So I mean, I would lose $240 every time though. $240. I don't. That's like half. Obviously, that's half. Damn, that's dirty. That was dirty, man. So the Nasdaq she had to come back and stop me out, and then hits my target. I don't know why. Hmm. And let's try a 13 tick stop then. So like I said, I don't want to be in drawdown with this. I just want to get in and get out. That's it. This is just a momentum play. I'm not even trading. It's more like gambling. I mean, basically, I am gambling. So if we get a pullback to the 21 EMA, I'll buy the 21 EMA. Or close to the 21 EMA. If the bulls start buying off of it, I'll get in. But I don't like the fact that this trend line is in the way. I don't like that. Yeah, they're gonna buy off the 21. All right, this is definitely it's 50-50. Either they're gonna buy it off the 21 or they're gonna touch that orb low. Or the orb high. This is risky. There we go, baby. Come on. Come on, Nasdaq. No, come on. Oh no, that's not. Oh my God, that's not fair. Yo, what? All right, man. That's not that wasn't fair. That was not fair, dude. That is not even fair. I earned that. That's not oh my that's not oh my no that's not fair. No. Oh my God, that is not fair. Oh no. Oh no. That's not even fair. No, that's not fair. Oh my God. That is not fair, dude. Nah, Alfred. That was a nah. That is not fair, dude. That was not fair. That was not fair, dude. That was not fair. Man. Ah. Stupid. Stupid, 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 Nasdaq. Stupid. That was not fair, dude. I earned that. That was a good read, and the Nasdaq took that away from me. By not, yo, that is. That was a good read, and the Nasdaq took that away from me, man. All right, man. Feel free to launch. You know, feel free. Cool. No, no, I can't be blamed for that. I can't be blamed for that. That shit dropped and instantly popped back up. That shit was too fast. I'll wait for a pullback here. I mean, unless this thing can keep going up. I might have to just make this 6 ticks now, because 21. Man, come on. Oh. Mm. I mean, Nasdaq, I know it's in your nature to do it, but I know it's in your nature to do it. Mm. Yeah, she was trying to take my happiness away. But I know that this strategy, the numbers work. It kind of relies on the Nasdaq to just kind of not be nasty to me. I mean, I can lose 9 times before I break even. So I'm going to use the numbers to my advantage and just kind of get comfortable scalping. Because I mean, this small little move, even though I lose more often, at the end of the day, I make more money. So I mean, if I can just kind of get a feel for getting base hits, well, but like I said, she has to be nice. She has to hit the target and not come back and stop me out. No, I've won more times than that game. Wait, you just being that's just being a hater at that point. I'll give it to you though. I did take more losses, but I know I'm profitable. I don't know how much though, but I know that I'm profitable. Even though I lost more times than I won, I'm more profitable. I know I'm green right now. And that's all that matters. Your boy is green. There we go, baby. That target. So a point and a tick. Point and a tick. Like sometimes the only resistance for the Nasdaq is just literally your target at times. Like if your target is right there where it can just hit it, it just chooses not to. I don't know. I don't understand why. It was right there. What was one more point in a tick? Well, I mean, there was so much resistance here that she just couldn't hit the target. Yeah, that's exactly what it's doing. The limit order is the damn resistance right now. The Nasdaq just had to miss it. I might just I might enhance this strategy by putting a trailing stop on it. Like once like stuff like this is frustrating, man. So this is the second time that it's happened. Man, god damn it, you bitch. Nah, you ain't about to do that to me. Hit that damn target. Hit that target. You ain't about to do that shit. She would have stopped me out if I didn't move my stop. Isn't that crazy? The Nasdaq is just a very nasty entity. She's a very nasty entity. Missed the target just to come back and stop me out. That is nasty work, man. The limit order is the resistance. God damn. Ah, Nasdaq, you are a nasty entity. Yo. I swear you are. This is nastiness, man. It's pure nastiness. That is pure nastiness right there. Hit the target. Like, god damn. Yeah, I'm gonna put a trailing stop on this, man. Wow. All right, Nasdaq. All right. Oh, okay. All right. All right. You see that she's like, dude, she's bringing out all of her nasty tactics. She only filled 2 of these orders. She only filled 2 and using it as resistance. Oh my God. Thank you. God damn. Nasty bitch. No, that's not even good enough anymore. That's not good enough. Actually, you know the crazy thing is, even if I didn't move my my target up, she still would have missed me by 2 ticks. She still would have missed me. Isn't that interesting? Man, at this point, man. She does it again. All right. Dude, I know I'm positive. I know I'm positive. I know I'm positive. I did way better than I did yesterday. I know I'm positive. Let's look at that. I know I'm positive. I'm up $2,200. I know I'm positive. All right, so I did way better than I did yesterday. Oh yeah, I got that gold position so long. Hmm. Hmm. Well, man, it's not working now, so I mean, I'll just close it. All right, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. We can always get that money back. All right. I think so too. Well, honestly, I think she can get all the way up to 700. I think 700 because we gotta remember that that's where that break of structure happened. Well, on my chart, but I mean, she could get there. The 200 EMH right there, but like 700. I might have to see it on a smaller chart because I'm looking at a smaller time frame chart. This little break of structure right here, like around 700, 695, 700. It's like a break of structure right here. Actually, let me draw it out. $695, 700. So could be trying to get to that, but man, honestly, who knows? But the Nasdaq is definitely a nasty entity. But one thing is definitely for certain. She's making higher highs and higher lows. I don't know if anybody noticed that. Yeah, she needed to touch the break even. Stop me out even. Of course, Nasdaq. I know you needed to do it. I just know you needed to do it because you're a bitch. Oh my god. Oh my god. I know you just needed to do it. I just know, like, dude, Nasdaq. I just knew she just needed to do that. Like, that is just so crazy. Like, she literally hit my stop and bounce. Why, Nasdaq? Why? But it doesn't matter. My risk to reward is I lost. Like, dude, that is just so nasty, dude. That is nasty, man. That is nasty. That's kind of too high, though. But, I mean, if it works. Oh, Oh, no, no. Yeah, I mean, this bitch is crazy, man. Thank you, gain weight. Thank you. Thank you. Shit. Thank you. Talking about Sir gained weight. I appreciate your admission that you're also doing the same thing. Okay. You know, I'll probably take I'll probably just take one more trade because I'm pretty sure I'm up. I'm pretty sure I'm up like $2,200 or $2,500. And this is what I like about this strategy so far. Man, I lost way more than I won. I had a couple solid good trades. I literally have I have a 1 to 6 risk to reward here. So well, it used to be 1 to 9, but then I gave it 13 more ticks or 4 more ticks, and now it's 6 instead of 9. So now I got, if I lose 6 times, I break even on one winning trade. I think the 13 ticks might be working out. And I think with the 13 ticks, I lose I think, what is it, 100 and I thought I did the math for this already. So I think I lose $175 per trade. God damn. Now the question is the market trying to reverse down now? I mean, are we going short now? You bitch. But it's definitely not fun when the market just chops you up, though. Yeah, I think 13 ticks is good. I mean, if you can kind of catch the momentum of a move. Honestly, I really don't know what it. Well, I'll try another long here. Or because I feel like it's trying to go long. My God. All right, that's my fault. 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 I disengaged from the market. That's my fault. I disengaged. Shit, man. Shit. Disengaged. All right, so now this thing's trying to chop me up. Chop me down. All right. Feel free to keep on pumping, Nasdaq. Feel free. The target is always the resistance. Come on, Nasdaq. That's just being nasty. Come on. Fill them targets. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go. Nasdaq, you were right there. Oh my God. This is only an illusion, Alfred. It's only an illusion. We snatched up the real Sherman in his sleep last. Code red, code red. We've been discovered. Code red, code red. We've been discovered. Man, come on, Nasdaq, with the bullshit, man. Well, and we've already gone too far. I can't let you hit them stops. That's some nasty work, Nasdaq. I mean, come on with the bullshit. Come on with the bullshit. Nas Diddy. Nas Diddy. I heard you like the party. You got to tell the Nas Diddy no. The Nas Diddy likes to party. And you got to tell her no. You got to tell her no. All right, Nas. All right. All right. All right, Nas. All right, Nasdaq. Bitch. Bitch. The Nas Diddy don't want to see you win. You know, the mistake that I made was I'm pretty sure I took a big loss by allowing that shit to come all the way back down. I shouldn't have moved my stop. I should have kept my stop where it was. In order for this strategy to work, I can't move my stop on my target. So I probably took a big loss. $85 lifetime fees. Well, I'll activate my, or how long is that for? I guess I can activate it and trade it on Monday. Because, well, I think it'll be highly unlikely if they drop another, $34 lifetime fee. Hold on, is Apex selling a 150K? Hold on, they're selling 300 and... Oh, okay. All right, I was like, dude, I thought that, like, I misread this thing. I thought that was like, hold on, when did Apex started selling $400 accounts? All right, Nas Diddy, I get it. Okay, that's cool. I'll have that shit. I'll have that PA account. A4. I think it's only $85. Okay, well, shit. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Hit that damn target. I earned this. God damn it. Cool. Ooh, that's what I'm talking about, baby. I'm talking. Actually, you know what? This actually might just keep going down. It might want to try to get VWAP. We'll see what happens at the orb low. I put a order here just in case. I know I'm probably gonna get stopped out like 20 times before it works, but see what they do at the orb low. Nas Diddy strikes yet again. God damn. Man, that I was just oh shit. I didn't even realize I did that. Man, that is freaking crazy, man. That is God. Oh my God. Nas Diddy strikes again. My God, dude. You saw it says. Okay, cool. My God, dude, like she stopped me out to the tick. And then just goes. Like, God damn, Nasdaq. The hell did I do to you? Yeah, I mean, how many times did I lose? How many times did I lose? I gotta look at my P&L. I gotta look at it right now. I gotta look at it. Wow, I'm up $1,900 right now. How many times did I lose? I'm up $1,900. And y'all guys know when it comes to a strategy, I will perfect it. I mean, that's something that is just is given. I'm doing way better than I did yesterday. I've lost probably like 20, 30 times. And then I'm positive on the day. Come on, Nasdaq. You don't got to be nasty. You don't have to. You can just pump higher. Am I selling up here? No. Bears failed to hold it, so their stops is going to probably push this higher. It doesn't mean that we won't see a rejection. Let me be very clear. I'm not saying that we don't reject. I don't think we reverse. That's what I'm saying. If you're scalping, then, you know, if you want to scalp short, then I'm not saying that it won't work. But I'm just saying that I won't look for a reversal up here. The bears failed. Can we get that stop run to the upside, please? Let me hurry up and get my order ready because I already know the Nasdaq is just nasty. She's just gonna be nasty to me. See? You see what I'm talking about? She's just nasty, dude. Like, how can you just... Ugh. You definitely got to have a heart for this shit, man. You definitely have to have a heart for it, because I think she's going to stop me out and go. Because that's just who she is as an instrument, as an entity. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on, Nasdaq. Come on, bitch. I know she's gonna do it, man. I already know she's gonna do it. Unless she's pulling back to the unless she's pulling back. Oh man, I missed it. Oh. Okay. Okay. Oh shit, you can say that again, Cave Trader. You said I've moved to VWAP. VWAP, huh? Of course, gold. Oh my god. Oh my god, gold. No, why? Of course. See, this is why I don't stop myself out. This is why I just take the loss. This is why I just take the loss. I'm not stopping myself out ever again. I'm not stopping myself out ever again. I'll just take the loss. Man, I guess if the market is trying to edge itself down, then I guess. I'm not stopping myself ever again. Stop myself out. Ever again. Ever again. I would have been super up in gold right now, man. Never again will I stop myself out of a gold play. Because right now, I mean, I took a smaller loss. I took a $200 or $300 loss that I easily made back, but I could have been super up right now. And so now I'm feeling the pain of loss and regret. And that's a great recipe to go on tilt. It would be nice if the bears would just either get the hell out of the way or just stop chopping it down. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, Nasdaq. Yep. This is why I have a very hate bears sometimes, man. Just stop chopping me up, man. Just go down. Mm. 69.59. I gotta pay attention to that 200 EMA though, because bears could take profits at, before, potentially after, but we're just gonna be positive and say, you know what? The bears are going to hit that target. Wow. 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 Come on. Thank you. Thank you, Nasdaq. Shit. Damn. I would have been super up in gold. Oh my God. Actually, it would have hit my target. Oh my God. Oh my God. I cheated myself out of this gold play. It would have hit my target. I would have been. I'm not stopping myself out of gold anymore. Or out of any of my positions. I literally cheated myself out of this position. Damn. Damn. All right, so you said, how do I trade so much? Well, like I said, I'm practicing this strategy. So earlier on, it is ugly. It is ugly earlier on, but you know, as I continue to do it, this will be a refined practice. Because I think I've been up maybe $2,800, and so I lost half the value of today's profits, but I'm doing way better than I did yesterday. And I think it has a lot to do with just the movement of the market. So obviously this strategy it doesn't bode well when the market is chopping up. Obviously it needs the market to move. That's definitely one of the requirements for this strategy for sure. But dude, it's crazy though. I mean, oh shit, okay, not paying attention. Disengaging from the market. Kroger doesn't have cookie dough ice cream right now? That sounds like a very blasphemous statement. It's been so long since I've been to a Kroger and a damn Publix. Oh my God. All right. All right, come on, Nasdaq. Come on. You ain't got to be like that, dude. All right, man, that's it for me. That's it. I'm done. I got to see my P&L though. What? Get out of here. Get out of here. Am I up 3K? What? What? All right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. Wow. 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 I know that today's performance will not. Well, actually, let me say this. I understand that today's performance is today's performance and tomorrow's performance is tomorrow's performance. But wow, how many times did I lose today? And just like Cave Trader said, I made some mistakes. I took bigger losses than what I should have, but I still came out on top. Just the small risk and the big reward. I get stopped out like 10 million times, but once I finally get this, once the market finally goes, it's wow. Wow. Yo, congratulations on that, Alfred. Yeah, I'm done for today, man. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done for this week because I won't be streaming tonight, and I won't be streaming on Saturday or Friday, and I'll come back Sunday night. I'm going to a wedding in St. Louis. I'm accompanying my partner. One of her family members are getting married in St. Louis, so that's what I will be. Actually, we leave later on today. Appreciate that. You know, this is actually that's a good. Oh man, that looks that looks like a good setup. But I'm done. I'm gonna lock in the 2900. I'm gonna lock it in. I'm locking it in. I'm gonna lock it in. I'm gonna take this gold play though for a potential retest of the highs. I mean, I probably should just probably wait, but I'm gonna take this gold play. And I guess, well, like I said, I don't trade none of my funded accounts with the Nasdaq. I can easily see after I went super tilt that one day, I just was like, you know what? The Nasdaq, I'm not even in the right frame of mind to trade trading the Nasdaq in a funded account because I'm trying to manage the craziness of the Nasdaq and the possibility to make a lot of money real fast. Now, here's the crazy thing. Apex has a 30% consistency rule. Do you think that ever crosses my mind if I make $10,000 in a day? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. After I blow the account and I come down off the high, then it's like, oh yeah, Apex has a 30% consistency rule. Maybe I shouldn't make this much money if I want a payout. But I don't know what it is. Nasdaq, Apex, and PA is not a good mix for me. Oh, look at Nasdaq. Oh, I should have took it. I should have took it. Should have took it. I should have took it. Should have took it. Okay. Well, all right. I mean, we had a good day anyway. We had a good day. Okay. But all right, everybody. Well, it looks like everybody's leaving anyway. All right. So that's it for me today. Obviously, I won't be here tonight, but we will definitely come back here Sunday night and we will start this thing all over again. Remember, we got PCE tomorrow. PCE is one of the Fed's favorite inflationary tools to gauge inflation and the what's the word I'm looking for? To gauge the health of the consumer. So depending on that number and depending on how the market reacts to that number, is how you should tackle tomorrow. So just keep that in mind. But with that said, we'll definitely come back Sunday night and we will definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good weekend.